Every day, founders lose their grip on their vision because they're trapped in a broken cycle. Chasing money that never really believes in their fight. Endless pitches that drain the soul. And investors playing it safe, avoiding risks like they're poisonous. They watch time slip away as their dreams shrink under the weight of how things have always been done. Investors, fed up with shady deals and slow returns, bury their hope in spreadsheets instead of guts. They want to back the next big thing, but the system makes it impossible to find the right founders, the real rebels with fire in their veins. It's this mess, this broken, outdated startup financing game that steals potential, kills innovation, holds everyone hostage in a stuck-in-the-past nightmare. But here's what no one else wants to shout. Blockchain is the hammer smashing through these walls. This isn't just a new tool. It's a brutal, raw, unstoppable force that's about to rip startup financing apart and build it back from the ashes. Fair, fast, borderless, and transparent. Imagine raising money without months lost to endless trust games. Picture angel investments flowing directly from the believer's wallet to the founder's vision, without middlemen who take their cuts, without endless paperwork, without lies hidden behind legal jargon. Every transaction recorded, every share, every promise locked in smart contracts that execute exactly how they should, instantly, no questions asked. Investors get real-time visibility on how their funds are used, founders get freedom, and trust is no longer a whisper. It's code, impossible to break. But this goes way beyond money. It's a call to the few, the founders who refuse to be tamed, the investors who hunger for meaning, the leaders who want to shatter the old rules and build something that actually works for them. Here's the raw truth. To wield blockchain right, you don't just jump on a platform and hope for the best. You become a radical architect of your future. You must demand decentralized networks where every link in your chain, whether investor, founder, lawyer, or partner, is visible and accountable, no shadows allowed. You build instruments where capital flows based on merit, not connections or old-school swagger. You seize the ability to tokenize your equity in ways that give early backers liquid assets on day one, not vague promises years down the line. You kill illiquidity, one ruthless step at a time. Here's the next level they won't tell you. Blockchain financing empowers self-sovereignty. Founders keep control of their destiny. Investors become part of a living, breathing web of truth and synergy, not just transaction points on a ledger. This system guts corruption, turbocharges innovation, and rewires how value is created and shared. It's meritocracy reborn, where power flows fluidly to the right hands, moment to moment, based on real wins, real progress, real impact. Now listen, if you want to survive this coming storm, you stop waiting for the old guards to hand you a ticket. You master the tech, you find the networks that do this right, you jump into autonomous syndicates that use crypto to align incentives, where everyone has skin in the game and betrayal means immediate loss, not some court case years too late. You become relentless in your demand for transparency, liquidity, fairness. You treat your investments and partnerships like sacred contracts forged in fire, enforced by code, impossible to ignore. This is how you break free from broken promises and false comfort. Use blockchain as your weapon to cut through the noise, the gatekeepers, the lies. Build the future of startup funding as a true ecosystem of trust, speed, and fairness. If you don't, you'll watch others do it without you while you're stuck in the past, furious and left behind. The power to change startup financing is here. It's raw, it's fierce, it's unstoppable. This isn't a game for the comfortable. It's for the bold, the relentless, the few who refuse to be corralled by outdated systems. Step into this new world, tear down the old rules, and rebuild how the rare find each other and flip the entire startup world upside down. This is where freedom meets capital, where trust becomes unbreakable, and where you finally get to rewrite the rules of risk, reward, and breakthrough. There's no going back. Your move.